Where are you from?
I'm from the north.
What are your qualifications?
Okay. I've worked with white people. I've worked in Sheraton. I've worked in so many places. So I guess I'm the best person for this job, ma'am.
Write down your name and your number.
Okay, ma'am.
What are your qualifications?
Oh, right. I'm a graduate, ma.
Graduate.
Yeah.
Of what?
I'm a graduate of microbiology.
So what job are you seeking for?
Actually, the country has no job, so I can be a driver, a good driver. I'm a good driver, ma.
And you dress like this?
I really don't see anything wrong with my dressing. Yeah.
Please get out of my house.
Sorry?
Get out of my house.
What about the job?
I don't want touts around my premises. Get out.
You called me out.
Get out!
Damn. Now, wow, I beg you, sky level. Am I supposed to work for you? Thank you, Johnny. All you play, you're not going to work. Yeah, yeah. That's why I get out, John. I left you out here.
Good morning, ma.
Your name?
I'm Crystal, ma.
What are your qualifications?
Okay, I'm a graduate from University of Jos, and I read hospital management.
Well done, ma.
What is your name?
My name is Pius Afodimpa Obodo dị egwu.
Mr. Afodimpa. Where are you from?
I am from Mbamini local government area. My local government na agha dị n'ụlọ go. That is where I am. Ebe a ka m si.
What are your qualifications?
Ihe ọwụla ọwụ kamgbe ụkọtụ nga ka anyị akwọla m ọka mbụ kwọọ garị kwọọ ose enwedị ihe na-akwọ akwọ na even osisi mgbe m kwọgo osisi na Benin any plank down ya wee osisi ọbụla dị ha na Benin ọ mmiri na-akwọjisie mbụrụ machine moto ịhụ nga m guzuru ote nte ka m ga-akwụrụ aga m akwọ ya na-ada nwa bụ ịma na oto na osisi ha enwedị ihe na-akwọ akwọ na-akwọbedị na ndụ machi.
I mean your qualifications, not what you have done in life. Your qualification.
Ọ otu ihe a tụkwa ime m kwuru ihe mbụ ime kwuru ime m tụkwago nwụ ọwụ ihe m adịka m chefuru anyara m moto gwongworo tipa ndị a na-ebu aja n'ọnụ mmiri gaa na nja abụ ụmụaka aja niile na-eko nga ahụ onye ọbụla m na-ekodere aja o juru n'ụlọ that person no build the house. I dey drive gwongworo tipa na-ebu aja. I drive Moluwe for Lagos. I drive pick and drop. No motor. Even I pilot, I drive am. Nothing where they drive where I no drive. Even the last before I come out for work na Palms company. I drive what this Panwopa people where they carry body where die. I drive so tey one day I carry the body they go. The thing come whether the woman wey die they say na strong woman she come miss me to lead me I come carry am instead of carry am dey go maka I carry am tigi shegbema ndị nwe ozi echego ozi mgbe eji lọta pass achọm that is when I loses my job But now I can drive any kind of motor. All this motor why they see here. Chigam kick in Webembugata. Machi.
All right. Put down your name and your number.
Write
Write your name and your number.
Hey. I feel call and make you write them. Ogara. I did number. Makaham to Logo. It will long well. I go write only Pious. That one I know, but in the code, I'll got my own.
Wait on, ma.
What is your name?
I don't cook for so many places, so no baby anywhere where person die. Na me they cook. As I talk to you now, from kitchen now from wrong come here and they make me tired up. Say my come write my name at least. May you know say I did ready for the work.
Put down your name and your number.
Okay, ma.
Hi, good morning.
Are you a model?
Of course I am.
Write down your name and your number. You may go. Next.
Good morning. Madam, that one asked me for my occupation. I occupy 2 rooms and 1 parlor for Amala village. That one I occupy. Then I don't do security for many years. So security work, me and Gates, we do wedding together. Nobody feel leave each other. I swear to God, my grandpapa na security for Chief Dr. Nandazik Onyiwe. Na security. Dr. Nandazik can die. My papa na secure Awolowo gate. Now Awolowo can die. As I dey now, if you die, I will go secure for another place also. You see me, if I start work here, you see all this your dog, why see they have no other choice but to give their life to Christ. Gate occupation. Now my gift from heaven above. As I dey here now my heritage, and my son is the next. To God who made me and you and heaven and earth. We talk us ready. Bam. O prophet in your rating.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm here for the interview, ma'am.
I'm done selecting.
No, but actually, ma'am, I'm here for the interview. I've been looking for this job since.
I said I am done.
Please, ma'am, I've told around. Please, I'm looking for this job, please. Please, ma'am, please, I'm looking for this job.
How dare you touch me?
Come on. Wait, excuse me. Caro, I wait till they call you. You can't rubber. Wait till you cook. That thing where you cook, where you get mind, gather conscience, bring up food, make a shop. Say that enough food. Wait, from your church mind now, you don't cook food, Abi? Come, don't try me for this house, oh. I dey go burial for my village where Chief Okotoke, I go for his burial. If you chop food, eat ofu ba. Iwe fuzie nyabu ofen sala nke ejizi okporoko we galishie. You dey remain ilrinli. What kind of food is this now? You won't give me pause? Make I tell you, wait, oh. So now this is now they cook. Now you come full us line up here. Say they cook food. You be caterer, I be waiting. Is your lense? Is your leg bumpete?
See as they look you. See as they look you. Just open that your mouth. The young rubbish they give me, Abi. I cook food to give you. You eat and finish. Not even there the plate. Even use that tongue like dog. You come there they talk rubbish. See, make I warn you. Anytime when me Carol go cook for this house, where you not like him, Kukuma use this your 2 left leg, go outside, go buy food, eat. No, they want me for this house, oh. No, they want me for this house, oh.
Ma take my 2 left leg, you go buy food, pass I eat. With the money you give me now,
You don't even thank your star, say I even leaked the plate. Plate where I leaked to help your career because your career don't already finish. Come here, tell you, your future is my past. You know, say me, I know they even worry myself. Now you are the help, Makachineke. And I assume we take money, go buy food outside. You give me money here, it will worry you.
See, person, where say my help? You carry hungry, enter this house. Now so you do when you come here. Now so you do when you come here. Thunder, we go fire, you should do press up for it. The thunder big like this. What you come your problem self? See what I tell you, see this house? Oh, na belle, for my hand today. Oh, you pay, the person go eat. Try me again, make see. Useless get man.
Oh, ever kiss everything here, I pay. You do really well, you are. I'm going to Hakagi. Karo do really well, you are. I'm going to Hakagi. You know, you can't go inside to chop your food. I'm not going to quick. Who did that day? What did they worry you? Who did that day?
What is it? What happened?
Okay, I don't know.
See what? Eh? Wait. Pius. That's true. You left this house with my sister.
Yes, sir.
Where is she?
Sir?
I said, where is she?
Oh, your sister, Abi? Okay, sir. She, okay, in fact, you're supposed to thank God for my life. You begin to do among my name. If you see what happened to me today, if it happened to any of you here today, nobody go fear escape. If not beside the Pius where they clever. If not beside Pius came the clever, even when my papa and my mama died, they left cleverness. I'm joining and come on him to be clever.
Tell me, where is my sister?
Now I want to talk now. As I come to drive your sister, as I did normally drive, I did for steering. Like those music where she they like, I come on them. The thing now them now to chaka boom boom, chaka boom boom. So we don't call it for that September Junction. September Junction to be a budget. As I call her like this, I want to stop her where she want to. She said she want do hair. She want do nail. She want go buy cucumber. That long cucumber where she they always.
I am running out of patience. Oh. Where is my sister?
Everyone will now come to her. Just wait. I want to learn the door where she is. So as I don't, come enter that apartment gate where. All those Abuja people, they say something. Now there she says she wants to buy wig, all those big one. I say, okay, madam. The next thing I hear, I'm robbers, criminals, so they hand me put that.
I'm robbers?
Yes! I'm robbers? Yes. They came out from nobody. I don't know where they come out from. You know, if you see gone, They carry machine gun, AK-42, AK-43. And now, move on. They move on and mad now. Where somebody died, they tell me move on. Move on to where? She said move on. Then them no move on. I want to move back. When I come back on one side. Low hotel, Kabu. Or some brother. Now one neck, them now one neck. Chineka na put one boy. You got now not to put my only son. Opening way would I see you got up. Hey, father, father. You shut up. Yes, ma'am.
Keep quiet.
Thank you, sir.
You have the nerves to leave my sister in the mouth of the lion.
Yes, sir.
You have the nerves
For my own life.
Baby,
died there.
baby, please just calm down. Nothing will happen to your sister, okay? Please.
Yes, my lord.
Please just let him go.
Yes,
please.
my lord.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Just pray nothing happens to my sister.
Amen.
Pray.
Amen. Amen. Amen.
Hey, madam, don't go. Hey! Pius! Pius, that's be. Gun where they shoot, when they even reach 30 minutes. Now you tear it from that place. Brrr, run enter here. May they come kill us, Abi. Why you don't run? Cross the other street. Eh? After me and you go dey drag position. You don't even go training before you come for this job, Abi. Now make I trust myself. If not me, me wey be say they train me for Chinshanshoya for China. Eh? If I fight them, then they call me Master Chiefo. Master Chiefo, that they call me. If I deal with those people, you go see, you go know who I be.
Katara. Obola. Bingo where they train for China. You go do Takashi ha because you don't see fruit. Monkey banana. You don't see fruit. You need them. Kabala. In a more nothing. I will not blame you. Me and you come to work inside the same compound. Driving and opening of gate, is it the same thing? Do you know where they put throttle? Do you know where trafficator is? Do you know where they put radiator water? Stupid imbecile.
You cannot compare your job with my job.
Come on, shut up your mouth.
Now me be the chief security officer of this particular house from federal government of Nigeria, police command over it. If you don't know me, you know today.
You know people who don't drive. Sam Loco will die. Sam Loco of Nigerian Nollywood International. I drive Sam Loco even the day we drive. I mean die go. Now me drive I enter the hotel say I'm going wrong.
You drive Sam Loco, you dey talk. Me wey be say I don security for Dr. Nnamdi house. You know me? Ojoko, let Ojoko na me security for his house.
Leponye. Tina onwu di iwe. Imwe sho onwu na agburi ya na ejiri kpo ya onwu di iwe. Ima mgbe so onwu di iwe na ndia. Destiny Etiko wey be say they hear am. Destiny Etiko if she sit down for back hotel her she go block everywhere. Na me drive am hotel na anya Destiny na anya ochi. Na anya we him na da anya po. Give am ga name. Aka gba banana maka chukwu na buy the nkata. If you touch this banana, two of us go eat dog with that life.
I dey craze. As we land Nigeria dey that banana. As also banana him dey we dey do no one. It's just a small banana. I mean hit that banana not just look at big aka. You dey name marry on. It's just a
Come.
God, I mean the chief security of this house from police commando where you have to have any right to touch anything that's under my custody.
I will close the gate. All right, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you.